Hey Bali babes, welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed. I appreciate you. Today I just wanted to give you a quick review of this product that literally has made my hair look so beautiful. This is from Shea Moisture. It's meant to heal, grow, and strengthen the hair. I've been having this like kind of raggedy problem, and then the shininess is not there, the oomph that I want is not there. It's extremely hydrating.
No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no paraffin, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, synthetic color, no DEA, I'm not quite sure what that is, but probably not going to have that in here, and no animal testing.
I've been using it every other day when I wash my hair because I wash my hair every day. Yeah, you can actually use this in the shower. I usually will just use my shampoo, so I'll put whatever shampoo I have, wash that out, and then after I wash that out, I'll take like a little scoop of this. I usually take about 2 fingers worth, so maybe like these 2 fingers. I just kind of work it through my hair while it's still wet, and oh my god, make sure, oh my god, please make sure that you use this when your hair is damp, when it's wet, because I made a little silly mistake of using this with my dry hair before shampooing, and oh no. And they tell you that here. I just don't follow instructions sometimes because, you know, I'm whatever. I would say if you have naturally curly or naturally wavy hair, this is gonna be so amazing. Curly hair is more porous, so it's prone to more damage. We need to make sure that we're moisturizing it appropriately. I personally really like the smell. If I was to give you kind of a description of the smell, I would say it's kind of mildly nutty, kind of sweet smell to it. It's pretty thick, so it's kind of like a body butter consistency you can see here. It's something that, depending on how thick your hair is as well, you can use a sparing amount. It provides a lot of moisture, which is really good for curly hair. And I have kind of a mixture of 3C and 2B, I believe. Yeah, I'll double check that. 3C and 2B. This is what's been happening since I've been using it. You can see that they're so defined. And I'm not using really any product besides this one. But yeah, I just wanted to give you suggestions. And if you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see, I would love to know in the comments. So feel free to comment down below. And besides that, love you guys. Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you on the